Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making a full backup of both client and server folders. Do this now so you can restore if needed. Next, identify which resources were changed by checking resources / and server. CFG, then note file names and timestamps so you know what to replace. Once done, get a clean copy of vanilla Fivem resources or your last known good backup and install a diff tool. This makes it easy to see exact code or asset changes and prevents guesswork later. Now compare modified files against your clean copies using the diff tool. Prioritize script files. Lua, metadata, meta, IMT, and textures. IT. As you replace corrupted or tampered assets, make sure to preserve any legitimate custom settings inside config files. Copy only the valid sections. Once replacements are in place, rebuild resource caches and verify that FX manifest. Lua or resource. Lua matches the resource folder structure because mismatches cause loading failures when the server starts. Finally, restart the server and watch the console closely while you test affected features in-game. You want to catch errors immediately. If problems persist, enable verbose logging and disable or start resources one by one to isolate the culprit, because narrowing it down saves time. Make sure to keep a restore point and document each change so you can roll back. And if you still hit a wall, reproduce the exact error, note the stack trace, and compare it to your diffs to pinpoint the remaining issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.